Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am sharing with you guys my Christmas decoration, my house tour Christmas edition, specifically my great room. So the first part of the video could consist of me walking you through all the decoration, what I did and where I bought all the decoration that I got from Christmas to. And the second half will consist of just the whole tour without any interruption with my favorite Christmas music. Guys, the colors that I use are white, red and gold, so it's going to be a traditional Christmas decoration with a little twist. So the angels, I got two from Kohl's last year. They are two big tall angels with a sign that reads "Be Merry." The candles I got from Amazon, the timeless candle. The little sign over there I got from a thrift store, local thrift store. The trumpet angels I got from Wayfair from last year. Guys, I used two different type of garlands that I bought from Michael's, as well as the red peaks on each side of the garland. The big gold glittery ball came from Bed Bath & Beyond 2 years ago. Absolutely love what we did this year with the trees. We did not buy anything new. We used what we have, and I wanted to make it a little different, so this tray is all white. At the bottom of the tray I use cotton as if it were snowing. I absolutely love that effect. And to complement, this one is red with flocked.
White outside.
I didn't buy the skirt, I couldn't find my skirt, so I used this tapestry.
Lighting candles in their home. Yes, it's Christmas.
Green with red element. This is a nice compliment to it. And at the very bottom, you put the wreath.
Yes, it's Christmas. All
Sorry guys, I almost had an oops moment. A Merry Christmas. At the sitting area, I have this vase that I got from Home Goods and some pics from Michael's. The fluffy white faux fur pillows came from JCPenney a few years ago. They're 24 by 24. This vase Christmas came from Burlington. I got two for, I believe, $24.99 each. Everything inside of the shelves came from Walmart for the most, and Macy's. This one came from Walmart. The lantern came from Walmart. The little tree, acrylic tree, came from Walmart. The back picture came from Walmart as well. The ginger house came from Walmart. And I have the little plants that came in a pack of, I believe, 10 from Walmart.
all snow is falling down.
Right here I'm screening a background picture for the ambience and the vibes somewhere from YouTube. It's just a fireplace. Here the little acrylic crack nose guy came from Walmart. The paint over there came from Burlington a few years ago. This globe with decoration inside came from Macy's. I added this stand Actually it's an acrylic candle holder just to give some height to it. The red Christmas tree from Walmart. I love it. Love it. It was a great fun. And up there, the house, the ginger house, is another design, came from Walmart. That's it for the shelves. I kept my coffee table decoration very simple. I just had some candle, layered candle, of course the red and the silver one that has some deer on it. The candle was thrifted years ago. And at the middle of the table I had this mirrored tray, and I just put some wreath on it. That's it for the table.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me.
This pillow came from Bed Bath & Beyond. I got two of these. So the one in the back came from Walmart a long time ago. The one in the middle came from Wayfair or Burlington. And that's the same pillow that you guys saw earlier. On the side table, I have the coffee books, Chanel coffee books that came from Target, a candle that came from Walmart, and faux flower that came from Walmart as well. On the other hand, I have a Chanel book that came from Amazon, candle that came from Walmart this year, and the full bouquet that came from Walmart a few years ago.
My heart, but this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me.
These two lanterns came from Walmart this year. Was $24, $24.99 each. The little picture, Merry Christmas picture, came from Burlington a few years ago. And I also have a troll that came from probably Amazon. Big deer that came from Kohl's a few years ago. And I also have my centerpiece that came from, I believe, Burlington. It was a few years ago on sale, and I added those glass candle that came from Amazon. I also have those fairy lights wrap around the wreath. They came from Amazon. There were 8 packs for $24, and they came with a remote. Very, very convenient. Everything on this table came from Michael's. All the pigs and the lights came from Michael's. The deer came from Kohl's a few years ago, and I made this centerpiece adding some glittery Christmas pigs that I got from Michael's to give it a Christmas look. The wreath came from Burlington.
With my friends and family, making angels in the sand.
The Santa guy came from Burlington this year. I believe was $16, and that's pretty much it. I already have those marble lights. They came from Burlington. No, they came from Home Goods. I'm sorry. A Christmas pillow came from Walmart this year. Love it.
Sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue.
These big lanterns, I got them from Home Goods from last fall, and I just incorporated this to my Christmas decoration.
It's pouring. It will always be Christmas in my.
The potted tree came from Walmart. It was $20 both. It's very skinny, it's not convenient. I just added some pigs from Michael's to give it a pop of red and to make it a little more functional. The guy over there, the the crack nut guy came from Home Depot years ago. I'm sorry guys, I can't keep up with everything, so that's pretty much it. I didn't do anything crazy this year as far as tablescape because I won't have my family around for Christmas. So I literally just throw some decoration over there to make it cohesive with the rest of the house. This little carpet over there, I got it online. I can't remember where. If I found the information, I will link it below. And that's pretty much it. It wrapped up all the first part of the house. Second part right now. Thank you guys for watching.
Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again, to see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire, chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close, forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la 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 la, oh, oh, la 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 la, oh, oh, la 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 la. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights, so you should come.